Om Gam Ganapadaye Namaha. Om Shakti Shilata Sahasranamavali 751 to 800 with meaning practice. Om Maha Kalyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is Maha Kali, the divine mother who consumes everything as time. Om Maha Grasaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the great devourer. Om Maha Sanayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose repast consists of the mighty universe. Om Aparnayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose Aparna, the one who did not take even a leaf while performing austerities. Om Chandikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who's the Chandika, the awe-inspiring one. Om Chanda Mundasura Nisudinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the destroyer of the demons Chanda and Munda and came to be known as Chamunda for this reason. Om Ksharatmikayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is both the changeful and the changeless. Om Sarva Lokeshyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the ruler of all the worlds. Om Vishwadharinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who supports the whole universe. Om Trivarga Datriyai Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows the triad of human values, aspiration to do meritorious acts, the capacity for it, and the means for it. Salutations to her who bestows the triad of human values, aspiration to do meritorious acts, the capacity for it, and the means for it. Om Trivarga Datriyai Namaha. Om Saubhagyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the goddess of affluence. Om Triyambakayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the three-eyed goddess. Om Trigunathmikayai Namaha. Salutations to her in whom the three dispositions of nature are in harmony. Om Swarga Pavarga Dayai Namaha. Salutations to her who bestows the enjoyments of paradise and the eternal bliss of moksha. Om Suddhaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is ever pure. Om Jaba Pushpa Niba Kritaye Namaha. Salutations to her whose color is the nature of japa flowers, the China rose. Om Ojo Vatye Namaha. Salutations to her who is full of energy. Om Dyuti Daraye Namaha. Salutations to her who is full of splendor. Om Yagna Rupaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is Vishnu, the embodiment of sacrifice. Om Priya Vritaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is fond of holy vows. Om Duraradhyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is hard to worship by those who has no control over their senses. Om Duradarshaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is hard to resist. Om Patali Kusuma Priyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is fond of Patali flower, the pale red trumpet flowers. Om Mahatyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is greater than all. Om Meru Nilayaye Namaha. Salutations to her who resides on Meru. Om Mandara Kusuma Priyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who loves the Mandara flowers, coral tree flowers of heaven. Om Veera Radhyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is worshipped by the Veeras, the heroic. Om Virad Rupaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the Virat, the cosmic whole. Om Virajase Namaha. Salutations to her who is without any stain. Om Vishvato Mukhye Namaha. Salutations to her who faces in all direction. Om Pratyak Rupaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the self within. Om Parakasaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the transcendental ether. Om Prana Nadaye Namaha. Salutations to her who gives life. Om Prana Rupinye Namaha. Salutations to her who is herself life, Prana or Brahma. Om Martanda Bhairava Radhyaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is adored by Martanda Bhairava, a form of Siva. Om Mantrini Niyasta Rajya Dure Namaha. Salutations to her who has invested her minister Shyalamba with all her regal authority. Om Tripureshiyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the deity Tripura. Om Jayat Senayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has victorious armies at her command. Om Nistrai Gunyayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is devoid of the three dispositions of the nature. Om Para Parayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is both the absolute and the relative. Om Satya Jnana Nanda Rupai Namaha. Salutations to her who is truth, knowledge and bliss. Om Samarasya Parayanayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the harmony of all diversities. Om Kabardhinyai Namaha. Salutations to her who is the consort of Kabardhan Siva. Om Kala Malayai Namaha. Salutations to her who wears all arts and crafts as a garland. Om Kama Duhe Namaha. Salutations to her who is Kama Dug, the wish-yielding celestial cow to her devotees. Om Kama Rupinye Namaha. Salutations to her who can assume any form. Om Kala Nidaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the treasury of all arts. Om Kavya Kalaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is the art of poetry. Om Rasa Jnanaye Namaha. Om salutations to her who knows all rasas, tastes, values, joys, etc. Om Rasa Sevadaye Namaha. Salutations to her who is herself the treasure of all rasas. Om Shakti.